tonight we are continuing with the digestive system. Things get a little down and dirty here, but it's our bodies and we've all got it. So we're going to talk about the stomach. The stomach, as shown in figure 14, is a muscular bag. When empty, it is somewhat sausage-shaped with folds on the inside. As food enters from the esophagus, the stomach expands and the folds smooth out. Mechanical and chemical digestion take place in the stomach. Mechanically, food is mixed in the stomach by peristalsis. Chemically, food is mixed with enzymes and strong digestive solutions, such as hydrochloric acid solution, to help break it down. Specialized cells in the walls of the stomach release about 2 liters of hydrochloric acid solution each day. The acidic solution works with the enzyme pepsin to digest protein. The acidic solution has another important purpose. It destroys bacteria that are present in the food. The stomach also produces mucus, which makes food more slippery and protects the stomach from the strong digestive enzyme solutions. Food moves through your stomach in 2 to 4 hours and is changed into a thin, watery liquid called chyme. Little by little, chyme moves out of your stomach and into your small intestine. All right, so ask yourself, what is the purpose of the stomach? Okay? It does digestion. How does it digest our food? By, come on, go down. There we go. There we go. The stomach. Mechanical digestion. Remember, we use MD. Peristalsis. Ask yourself, what is peristalsis? Okay, it's the smooth muscle tissue moving, contracting, and relaxing. Okay, peristalsis mixes the food. You hear your stomach grumble sometimes. That's because your stomach is churning. Chemical digestion, CD, enzymes, pepsin, and hydrochloric acid solution break down the food and destroy food on bacteria. Okay, that's very important. The hydrochloric acid solution. Okay, it's not hydrochloric acid, it's not like that, it's a solution, so it's diluted. All right, and in 2 to 4 hours, it's chyme. I spelled that wrong. All right, it is chyme. All right, chyme is what enters your small intestine. Where's that there from? Nothing. Okay. Super duper. Here we go. You ready? So, we have done the stomach. Oop, all right. So, now we're in the small intestine. Icky, icky, icky. It's all good. All good. All good. All right, no worries, Anna. Here we go. The small intestine. Your small intestine is small in diameter, but it measures 4 to 7 meters in length. As chyme leaves your stomach, it enters the first part of your small intestine called the duodenum. All right, say that, Corey. Duodenum. Most digestion takes place in your duodenum. Here, a greenish fluid from the liver called bile is added. The acid from the stomach makes large fat particles float to the top of the liquid. Bile breaks up the large fat particles, similar to the way detergent breaks up grease. Chemical digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats occur when a digestive solution from the pancreas is mixed in. This solution contains bicarbonate ions and enzymes. The bicarbonate ions help neutralize the stomach acid that is mixed with chyme. Your pancreas also makes insulin, a hormone that allows glucose to pass from the bloodstream into your cells. Absorption of food takes place in the small intestine. Look at the wall of the small intestine in figure 15. The wall has many ridges and folds that are covered with finger-like projections called villi. Villi increase the surface area of the small intestine so that nutrients in the chyme have more places to be absorbed. Peristalsis continues to move and mix the chyme. The villi move and are bathed in the soupy liquid. Nutrients move into blood vessels within the villi. From here, blood transports the nutrients to all cells of your body. Peristalsis continues to force the remaining undigested and unabsorbed materials slowly into the large intestine. Don't you want to be a villi being bathed in chyme? Delicious. Okay, so most of the nutrients in your food are absorbed into your bloodstream in the small intestine. Okay, so here's the picture here. And so you can imagine if this was just a flat surface and the food going along it, it only would have the flat surface to absorb. But the food, the nutrients, can be absorbed in any of these places. That's what it means by increasing the surface area. And maybe we'll do this little lab down here. All right, so we're going to talk about the small intestine. It's kind of squishy down here at the bottom. So we've got the small intestine. Okay, this is where absorption takes place. Remember that we had ingestion where you eat it, digestion is breaking it down, and absorption is absorbing the nutrients. Okay, 4 to 7 meters in length. How many feet is that about? Okay, answer that tomorrow, please. The liver adds bile, and bile breaks up big fat globs. What do those fat globs do? Oh, they're going to float to the surface. There, the pancreas will add enzymes. Nope, it breaks up the fat particles. The acid from the acid from the stomach makes those fat particles float to the top, and the bile breaks up those fat globs. Okay? Pancreas adds enzymes, breaks up carbs, proteins, and fats. You think about how much goes into having your digestive system work, and if something's not working right, you're going to be kind of uncomfortable, aren't you? All right, so the pancreas adds enzymes that break up carbs, proteins, and fats. Then food is absorbed through the villi in the small intestine. Remember, the villi increase the chances that nutrients can be absorbed, because the nutrients the chyme fills all these little spaces. And peristalsis action pushes the nutrients into the bloodstream. Okay? Now, all the good stuff's gone. What's left for the large intestine? Poor little large intestine. It gets all the leftovers. It has one important job, though, the large intestine does. We're about to find out. The large intestine. Whoop, whoop. When the chyme enters the large intestine, it is still a thin, watery mixture. The main job of the large intestine is to absorb water from the undigested mass. This keeps large amounts of water in your body and helps maintain homeostasis. Peristalsis, remember, the smooth muscle contracting and relaxing, usually slows down in the large intestine. The chyme might stay there for as long as 3 days. After the excess water is absorbed, the remaining undigested materials become more solid. You know what's happening, don't you? Come on, fam. Muscles in the rectum, which is the last section of the large intestine, and the anus control the release of semi-solid waste from the body in the form of feces. Okay? It happens. It's life. The large intestine. Undigested and unabsorbed materials enter. Bam. Icky stuff. Okay, the large intestine absorbs the water from these materials. Very, very, very important. Chyme might stay there as long as 3 days. The muscles in the rectum release solids through the anus. Okay. Bacteria are important. Many types of bacteria live in your body. Bacteria live in many of the organs in your digestive tract, including your mouth and large intestine. Some of these bacteria live in a relationship that is beneficial to the bacteria and to your body. The bacteria in your large intestine feed on undigested material like cellulose. In turn, bacteria make vitamins you need, vitamin K and 2 B vitamins. Vitamin K is needed for blood clotting, and the 2 B vitamins, niacin and thiamine, are important for your nervous system and for other body functions. Bacterial action also converts bile pigments into new compounds. The breakdown of intestinal materials by bacteria produces gas. Okay? So the bacteria are very important to your digestive system. They live in organs like the mouth and large intestine. And bacteria help make vitamins. So they make vitamin K and 2 forms of vitamin D, niacin and thiamine. Did I spell that right? Where is it? Yep, I guess so. All right, those are both important for the nervous system. So that's it. All done. Very good. All right, we will work with the digestive system. You will have a journal quiz on, I guess we'll do it on Monday. Okay, take care. Have a good night. Bye.